Veiko Fakalave Lave Fakalave Lave Kilapaha Koe Fakama Nuana Oe Fefide Tuitona
I want to tell you girls. When you are a young Tongan girl, you need to be matay-fiver. Mal. Smile, malmalilete. Kawai ke fu. Behe manifo. Malmalilete. Because that is how you engage with the audience, That's how you welcome them. And when you hug them, hug them more smooth, graceful. Because everybody, they will be watching where your hands go and where you place them, And when you go to places, you make sure that if you walk in front of someone, you say, to Lord. And if you want something, you say, or if someone gives you something, you say, my Lord, big. And if you are feeling sad, or angry, or depressed, no one wants to see that. No one wants to know that. You need to make sure that you smile right through those feelings, Before my hand will smile on your face. That's what we have to remember. And you also need to make sure that you are feeling it from his knees, Beautiful. Because everybody will feel it. And it shows that this young girl, hakuna iwe offer love, respect. Talakafua, obedience. Hey, shh. What? Hey, I'm trying to teach you how to be a young Tongan girl, and you guys are not listening. Offer, where were you last night?
I was here, Mom.
You were not here last night because Mele's mother, Sammy, called me to tell me that Mele saw you in the nightclub. In the nightclub with a short skirt, a tight top, and a high heel higher than me. Now you wanna be a nightclub? Hey, you wanna be rubbish? Do you wanna be rubbish? I don't care what Mele is. I'm worried about you, Because you know these people, all of these people, they are going to look and they will talk. And do you know who they are going to talk about? I don't care what you think because I am the mother. They will talk about me, not you about me, because I am your mother and I have to teach you these things. Why you want to go and do all of those things, If you want to go have fun, You want to have fun, okay? You want to have fun in my house? Get out, have fun outside. Get out.